Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be trying out two carbon fiber overlay kits that I found on Etsy. The first one is going to be for the interior, where we've actually already done some of the trim with that hydro dipped carbon fiber overlay stuff. We're going to be removing all that and then cleaning it up and then putting these real carbon fiber overlays on top. And then the second kit is for the pillars on either sides of the front and back windows. So let's go ahead and get those old overlays removed, get those areas cleaned up, and then we'll get these new ones installed. everybody, so there were a couple pieces that I either didn't use or couldn't use, and I'll go ahead and explain why. All of these ones that go around the switch covers for the doors, I actually already had those from another kit that I found on eBay. You may have seen that in a video previously on the channel. This one over here is for the GT2 models. That area around the gear shifter has a plastic area where this is going to go over. In the GT1s and GT lines, that's just a leather boot, so we can't really use that. Now up here, this part that goes around the infotainment system, I actually talked to the company about this. This will not fit for the 2022s, but they are working on getting one made that is going to fit that. Now this piece up here, this long piece, is a continuation of the other piece that you saw me put around the radio knobs, that part that went above the two knobs for the radio and all those other controls. In the 2022s, they have that ambient lighting that's inside the dash, those little thin strips. So if you put this on, it will cover it up. I went ahead and tested it out, and it just blocks pretty much all of the light. A little bit does get through, but not enough to where I want to put that on and cover up my dash lighting. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you guys have any questions about the kits or about the install, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be leaving links in the description for both of these kits if you want to pick them up for your Stinger. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.